Hey guys, it's David with FlexiShield. We're out here in Chandler, Arizona at our corporate facility doing an 18-month checkup on our employee Riley's Jungle Genesis. We've had a tremendous amount of success showing off its self-healing capabilities, its hydrophobicity, as well as its durability. This is daily driven out here in the Arizona sun. This actually does also have no covered parking, no garage space. So this vehicle is always outside, completely exposed to the sun. Not only that, we have Riley go through automated washes twice monthly to really put this film through the test, make sure how it stands up against harsh chemicals, swirls, and really protects your vehicle and investment. Let's go have a look and take a look at what we got. First thing I see here is the insane shine. Nothing has been lost over 18 months. This film still has an amazing amount of gloss and luster. This is not ceramic coated. This kid is a young kid. He is 24 years old. He dailies this vehicle. He loves this vehicle. He shows it off. He takes it to car shows. He loves taking it out and just putting it on display. So this is something that he doesn't necessarily ceramic coat. He doesn't necessarily do anything other than take it through the automated washes as he was instructed. But this is going to allow you to see some of those benefits where out here in the heat, in the Arizona sun, you'll notice no rock chips. You'll notice no swirls. You'll notice no harsh chemical stains or abuse. This film has a great amount of gloss, great amount of glitter. I don't see any swirls, I don't see any defects, I don't see any rock chips. This is something that is known for our PPF. This is something that we want to portray. You're wanting the colors, we're wanting to help you protect it.
Here, a fresh piece of FlexiShield is placed on top of Riley's 18-month-old installation. Notice perfect color matching with no fading or degradation.